make a big explosion with soda. So yeah, let's get to it. I'll meet you outside. Whoa, where am I? We're outside, guys. Okay, so these are the ingredients. So some soda, soap, and vinegar, and a bowl, whatever bowl you need. And you should wear goggles, but I don't really like them because they're pretty embarrassing. They're swimming goggles, but make sure to wear them. Whatever goggles you want, well, let's get to it. So first, you usually put some soda in. I literally forgot how to do this. There you go. Yeah, man. Okay, we put the soda in, then we put some soap. Also, you can put food coloring if you want. And then put a bit more soap just to make it more color, because that's what it's supposed to do. And open this. What the? We've got to put more baking soda in. Oh! Oh, banger! It's exploded! Woo! Literally, look at that! Woo. Like, look. It's just pretty much bubbles. Look at it on the grass. Look at, like, it's just bubbles. Look, I'm gonna spread it on the grass. So guys, that was today's video. I hope you enjoyed. See you next time. Bye.